Hello, people of Earth. My name is Lacerta, and this is my secret testimony from your year of 1999. I was asked the question, you sometimes speak about underground cities and artificial sunlight. Do you mean something like a hollow Earth with this? Is there a second sun inside our planet? Here is my answer, no. Earth is not really completely hollow, and there is no second sun inside. This story is ridiculous and physically not possible. Even your species should be intelligent enough not to believe this. Do you know how much mass a sun must have to produce energy and light for a longer time by fusion? Do you really think that there could be a small active sun inside the planet? When I talk about our subterranean home, I talk about large cave systems. The caves you've discovered near to the surface are tiny in comparison to real caves, and huge caverns deeper in the earth in a depth of 2,000 to 8,000 of your meters, but connected with many hidden tunnels to the surface or to surface near caves. And we live in large and advanced cities and colonies inside such caves. Major sites of us are beyond the Arctic, the Antarctic, Inner Asia, North America, and Australia. If I talk about artificial sunlight in our cities, I don't mean a real sun, but various technological sources of light, including gravitational sources, which illuminates the caverns and tunnels. There are special cave areas and tunnels with a strong UV light in every city, and we use the places to heat our blood. The advanced reptilian species, not mine, came not from this universe, but from a well. How should I explain it to you? Your scientists have not really understood the true nature of the universe, because your illogical mind is not able to see the easiest things and relies on wrong mathematics and numbers. This is part of the genetic programming of your kind, to which I will come later. Let me say that you are nearly as far away from the understanding of the universe as you were 500 years ago. To use a term you will maybe understand, the other species came not from this universe, but from another bubble in the foam of the omniverse. You would call it maybe another dimension, but this is not the right word to describe it correctly. By the way, the term dimension is generally wrong in the way you understand it. The fact you should remember is that advanced species are able to walk between bubbles by use of, as you would call it, quantum technology, and sometimes in special ways only by use of their mind. When the advanced reptilian species arrived in this system 65 million years ago, the humanoid Earth colonists from Procyon tried to communicate peacefully, but they were not successful, and a global war started within months. You must understand that both species were interested in this young planet Earth, not for its biology, an undeveloped species, but for only one reason: raw material, especially copper. To understand this reason, you must know that copper is a very important material for some advanced species, even today, because it is together with some unstable materials, able to produce new stable elements if you induce a high electromagnetic field in the right angle with a high nuclear radiation field to produce an overcrossing of fluctuating fields. The fusion of copper with other elements in such a magnetic radiation field chamber can produce a force field of special nature that is very useful for various technological tasks. But the base for this is an extremely complex formula. Because of the restrictions of your simple mind, both species wanted to have the copper of planet Earth. And for this reason, they fought a not very long war in space and orbit. The humanoid species seemed to be successful during the first time, but in the last battle, the reptilians decided to use a mighty experimental weapon, a special kind of fusion bomb, which should destroy the life forms on the planet, but should not harm the valuable raw materials in the copper. The bomb was fired from space and detonated at a point of your planet you call Middle America today. As it detonated in the ocean, it produced an unpredictable fusion with hydrogen, and the effect was much stronger than the reptilians had expected. A deadly radon, an overproduction of fusion oxygen, a fallout of different elements, and a nuclear winter for nearly 200 years were the results. Most of the humanoids were killed, along with what you call dinosaurs, and the reptilians lost their interest on the planet after some years.